My name is Oghenetega, your team. The company is called Gricd. I'm the founder and CEO at Gricd. Gricd is focused on coaching and developing technology to build the trust gap that exists in the coaching market in Africa today, which basically we have two lines of solution. One is a real-time tracking device, which enables real-time communication of temperature-controlled assets while it's in motion. So it provides you the information of temperature, the temperature information, location information, as well as humidity information, all in real time. While the second product is a portable refrigerator, which enables businesses store temperature-controlled products such as vaccines at controlled temperature values while also communicating all this information in real time as well. In 2020 was really challenging. I mean, when we started out, we had a lot of hope as regards what we're gonna do. But once the lockdown came in, it was really tough. Had to let some of the team go. But he also helped us look inwards and understand, revisit the conversations we had with the customers, understand what exactly the customers wanted. Luckily for us, we kind of took that feedback and then produced a new product, which is the monitoring technology, which we have today. And Q4 of last year was probably the best quarter we've ever had since we started the business because we took the customers' feedback and then gave them what they actually wanted, not what we thought was right for the customer. So, with limited resources, you just had to listen and then produce the vital needs of your customers. And so for us, it was a really important learning point for us, and we're better for it. So the Lafiya program, we had a lot of sessions um, about trying to get into the Ghanaian market, understanding the landscape for the healthcare space in Ghana, which has really, really helped us understand the market. Also helped us build vital relationships that we're still exploring till date to help us, plan our expansion beyond just the Nigerian market into the Ghanaian market as well. So that was really, really pivotal. The stakeholder mapping sessions. You think that Nigeria and Ghana, since they're in West Africa, are kind of similar, but there are vast differences when it comes to the healthcare space. So that program really helped us understand the Ghanaian market and the relevant stakeholders that we need to work with in order for us to be able to succeed in this market. As for the grant, the grant was heaven sent. Um, I think about Q2. It was really tough. We had to lay off some folks. Really tough decisions. We had to cut down salaries by 50%. Um, but at that point in time, the products, we had placed order for products. Products were not coming in, so we needed money to reinvest into this new product line, which was going to be cheaper and was going to help us generate revenue. So the grant that came in at that point in time literally saved the business. From that, we were able to we were able to produce the first batch of 100 devices. And once it came in within 2 months, we exhausted that whole stock. So it helped us manufacture, um, bring in the products, push it into the market, sold, made the recurrent revenue, and from there we're now able to plow back that money into subsequent operations of the business. So literally, the money saved the business because, yeah. So yes, I would recommend the Lafayette program to almost anybody really that's interested in the healthcare space for Ghana. Simply because the connections that it makes. Most times as startups, we tend to make a lot of assumptions, and we really want those assumptions to be right. The Lafayette program is an honest program in the sense that it will tell you the truth. It can't work here, even if it works in your country or if it works in another country. So, understanding that landscape and then the finance that is also provided really helps you try things out quickly and fail quickly because I think that's a very um, essential part of being a startup, being able to fail quickly and learning what works and what doesn't work. And just beyond talk, having that finance to be able to actually implement is very, very relevant and very, very key for businesses interested in this market. So yes, I would definitely recommend it to anybody who's interested in this market.